We find that spirit that has been tormenting.
I will never be.
We find that spirit in the name of Jesus.
The same man. I'll never return.
We command everyone to come out of their life. Come out of their soul. Come out of their sin and free. In the name of Jesus. Come out of it. Come out of it. Come out of their soul. Come out of their body. Come out of their spirit. In the name of Jesus. Spirit of the living God, brood overhead from the crown of the head to the soul of the head. Father, restore life. Restore life. And you begin clean from the crown of the head to the soul of the head. Lift your hands.
Will never be the same thing. I will never be the same again.
Jesus.
I will never return. I've closed the door.
In the name of Jesus.
I will depart.
In the name of Jesus.
I will run the
In the name of Jesus.
and
Restore new life. Receive new life from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. We rebuke the power of the devil over your life. Lose them, let her go. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Lose them, let her go.